Hi all, my name is Pratishu Thomas. So I am the audiologist and co-founder of Marwan Hearing Solution. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of choosing a right hearing aid. Why it is important. So most of the time patient will have a complaint of saying I am getting a lot of background noise. अरे मुझे बाहर का आवाज़ ज़्यादा आ रहा है या फिर there will be issue with the sound quality or they will be complaining घर पे कुछ बर्तन गिरा रहा है या फिर फैन का आवाज़ पंखा का आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है. These are the main complaints we used to see from patient. So if a patient comes to us and patient buying a hearing aid which is costing more than 2 to 3 lakh or more than 1 lakh rupee, they are investing a huge amount of money on a hearing aid. So getting a proper benefit from the hearing aid is very important. So while choosing a hearing aid, it is very important to choose a right one, because when we saw a lot of patients from past many years, they used to buy a different kind of hearing aid which is suitable for him. Means okay, when we do the hearing testing, we will get an audiogram report. That audiogram report, there will be a sloping type loss, there will be a flat type loss, or there will be a splicing type of pattern will be there. After seeing this report, you have to choose which hearing aid will be the best for them. Because if I'll give an example for you, if there is a sloping type loss and they are going for a BT hearing aid, they won't be happy because they will have a lot of background noise issues. They will have more than speech. They will be able to hear a lot of background noise. So they won't be happy with the device. So even after if I'm going for a BT device and spending 2 lakh rupees and having this kind of issue, they will be very upset and they won't be coming to us again. Right? So giving a proper hearing aid and making patient is very important. So for a sloping loss, always remember to give an RAC hearing aid, which will be more comfortable as the background noise will be less, and they can give a frequency dependent stimulation for the hearing aids for the patient. So they will be more comfortable with the sound and they won't be having a complaint. Like मुझे background noise ज़्यादा आ रहा है, ऐसा complaint नहीं रहेगा. So they will be very comfortable with the hearing aids. And if the patient have a flat type loss or rising pattern, make sure always you can give a trial with RAC. Then you can definitely go with the BT only, because BT hearing aid can give very good response for the flat and rising pattern, because that can give more low frequency output. So if a patient having a rising pattern and if you are giving a flat type for a flat type loss, we are giving a RAC hearing aid, or rising pattern we are giving a RAC hearing aid, they will have a lot of other issues also. They won't be happy with the sound quality. So for a rising pattern or a flat pattern, we remember to give a ITC or BT hearing aid, which will make them more comfortable and they can hear a very good sound quality. So when come to the market, Indian market, so what about the hearing aid pricing? So hearing aid prices are starting from, for a proper digital hearing aid, is starting from 18,000 to, it will go to 8.2 lakh rupee. So for a single hearing it will be starting from 18,000. So then for bilateral it can go till up to 8 lakh rupee. So spending a hearing aid, this much amount on a hearing aid is very important. But the patient, when the patient is spending that much money, we should give our best for the patient. Then only they will be happy and they will come to us for the proper service. And when a patient comes to us, always remember to say every 6 months they have to do the servicing and programming and fine tuning, because there may be chance of voltage deprivation happening in the 6 month or time period. So make sure every 6 months we are doing the testing for the patient and the proper programming. As a marketing, we always make sure that okay, we are giving a proper digital hearing aid. We never go to analog option. We used to give our maximum effort to take a patient to a digital hearing aid so that they will have a bit comfortability and we can have a control on a hearing aid. So that if a patient saying the complaint, अरे मुझे दिक्कत हो रहा है, ऐसा तकलीफ हो रहा है, ऐसा बोला तो I can make some adjustment and I can give a good hearing for them. So when a patient comes, never hesitate to say that okay, we have a hearing aid in 8.2 lakh rupee, because there is a fact because we have that option in our market. Yeah, then when a patient go for a basic device, they have to compromise many things on sound quality, because that can basic hearing aid won't be able to give a very good natural quality on a sound about sound. So when a patient comes to us, enter to our clinic, we should make sure okay, we are understanding their need of what is their need, actual need, especially discussing about their comfortability issues and okay, about their social communication need a patient has. So while pitching a first time hearing aid for a patient, make sure you are asking all the questions related to their daily life, daily routine, social communication need, how many people they have to meet, what is their criteria of hearing, okay, how much they are, what is their expectation. Understanding their expectation and correlating with the hearing aid features, it will be very good for us and for the patient to get a maximum comfortable with the hearing aid. So the patient is asked, saying, okay, I am a working employee, I have that lot of meetings. That time we should make sure we are always choosing a right hearing for the patient. Because attending in a patient is sitting in a meeting and that time we are having a lot of background noise, they won't be happy with the device, right? So choosing the right hearing aid for the patient, maybe you have to say, okay, maybe the hearing will be costing till 3 or 4 lakh rupee. Never hesitate to say that, because hearing aid, when the costing is increasing, the quality of the hearing aid will be increasing. Yeah, and patient will be very happy with the sound quality. And taking the proper questionnaire from the patient, ask all the question, what their expectation, what is their need, how they spend time on house, how they spend on daily life, what is their daily expectation with the hearing aid. Ask about everything and make sure that you are giving the best audiological solution for the patient. And we are audiologists, we have to give our best, then only patient will be happy and they won't have a complaint, like they are not giving proper service. ये लोगों ने झूठ बोल के मुझे 2 लाख कमीशन मेरे हाथ में दिया. They won't say like that. They will be very happy with the thing we are providing, and make sure after fitting we are taking a proper follow up from the patient, asking regularly, we are asking them to visit the clinic again, and they will be happy. Most of the time they will be very happy to do that, because when we are showing some empathy to the patient and we are showing some interest to the patient, they will definitely visit us. We have to try our level best to give the solution for their problem, and finally patient will be ours and we can be a family together, because investing on a hearing aid is not for one day, it is for a very long time. So make sure that and we can give a proper audiological solution for the patients.